Alright, pay attention. This is 100% true. Probably.
Number 10. The accidental chicken cannon. To test airplane windshields, engineers started firing chickens at them. Yes, real chickens launched at real planes. This began in the 1960s. Some labs used supermarket chickens, others used actual birds. The cannon shot them at over 200 miles per hour. Frozen chickens hit harder than bowling balls. One test launched a frozen chicken straight through a cockpit wall. Scientists realized frozen poultry is basically a meat missile. It is like stopping a flying refrigerator door with a glass window. So the official rule became, thaw the chickens first. The tests actually saved lives by improving windshield strength. The aviation world took it seriously. Everyone else laughed forever. And the chicken cannon became the weirdest science tool on Earth. Number 9. The exploding whale. In 1970, a dead whale washed onto an Oregon beach. It weighed almost 8 tons and smelled like a disaster. Officials decided to remove it using dynamite. They packed 8 cases of explosives under the whale. A whole crowd came to watch the big moment. The blast launched whale chunks into the sky. Fat and meat rained down like a seafood meteor shower. A giant piece crushed a parked car 80 meters away. People ran faster than in a zombie movie. The beach still smelled terrible afterward. Workers had to clean everything by hand anyway. The whole event became legendary news footage. The town never tried that again. Lesson learned. Never solve a whale with dynamite. Number 8. The self-experimenting malaria scientist. In the early 1900s, scientists wanted to understand malaria transmission. Some researchers decided the best test subject was themselves. One scientist literally let infected mosquitoes bite his own arm. He kept a jar of hungry mosquitoes next to his bed. Each night was an all-you-can-eat buffet for insects. His arm swelled like a balloon after a bad gym day. He got malaria multiple times, just to collect data. It is like studying sharks by jumping into the tank with barbecue sauce on your skin. He recorded fever, chills, vomiting, and hallucinations. His notes became proof that mosquitoes transmit malaria. His research saved millions of lives in the future. But his body suffered more than a broken gaming keyboard. Modern medicine says this is a terrible idea. Science progressed, but he deserved unlimited mosquito repellent forever. Number 7. Operation Cat Drop. In the 1950s, Borneo had a serious malaria problem. The World Health Organization sprayed DDT to kill mosquitoes. Mosquitoes died, but something worse happened. The poison spread through the food chain. Lizards ate poisoned insects. Cats ate poisoned lizards. Cats started disappearing faster than Gen Z attention spans. Without cats, rats took over the villages. The rats carried plague and destroyed food supplies. The government needed more cats. So they dropped live cats from airplanes with tiny parachutes. Yes, real air-delivered cats falling like floppy paratroopers. The plan actually worked, and the rats were controlled. Nature looked at humans and whispered, "Stop touching stuff." Number 6. Operation LAC in St. Louis. In the 1950s, the United States feared future nuclear attacks. Scientists wanted to study how radioactive particles might spread. Their solution was to spray zinc cadmium sulfide over real neighborhoods, without warning the public. Military trucks and rooftop blowers released a fine chemical dust. Children played under clouds of glowing science powder. No one told the people breathing it. It is like seasoning a whole city with toxic salt and calling it research. Later studies found cadmium can damage lungs, kidneys, and bones. Residents developed cancers and respiratory problems. Most victims lived in low-income areas. The government refused responsibility for decades. Operation LAC became a warning about secret experiments on civilians. Science with no honesty is just a villain origin story. Number 5. Deep sleep, therapy disaster. 1960s. Australia had a new, miracle mental health cure. Doctors believed long sleep could fix depression, anxiety, and addiction. Their plan was to put patients into sleep for weeks at a time. They injected heavy barbiturates to keep bodies unconscious. Patients barely moved, breathed, or responded. Muscles weakened, and lungs struggled. Some patients forgot how to walk after waking up. Blood clots turned simple rest into silent danger. It is like trying to fix a computer by turning it off for 1 month straight. 24 patients died from the treatment. Families were told it was normal medical procedure. Investigations later revealed faked results and no safety rules. Dr. Harry Bailey lost his license and reputation. The therapy became a brutal example of science without compassion. Number 4. Chester Southam, Human Cancer Test. In the 1950s, a cancer researcher wanted to study immune reactions. He used HeLa cells, which grow like unstoppable weeds. His idea was to inject these cancer cells into real people. Some were cancer patients. Others were healthy prisoners and elderly patients. None of them knew they were being injected with tumors. Consent forms did not exist. Tumors grew under the skin like tiny balloons of nightmare. One patient developed spreading lumps across her body. It is like giving someone a test drive with a car that has no brakes. When other doctors discovered the truth, they reported him immediately. His medical license was suspended for 1 year. Many victims lived with the consequences for life. The case changed medical ethics forever. Number 3. Project QK Hilltop. During the Cold War, the CIA wanted to see if mind control was possible. Agents tested hypnosis, drugging, and sensory deprivation. Many subjects did not know they were being experimented on. LSD was given like candy at a Halloween party. One subject developed intense paranoia and violent hallucinations. Another stayed in isolation until reality became blurry. Some were left with permanent psychological damage. Files show people spent the rest of their lives in mental hospitals. It is like trying to open your brain settings with a hammer. The CIA denied everything for years. Leaked documents eventually exposed the truth. The public was disgusted. Congress banned secret human drug experiments. Modern research now requires strict consent because of this disaster. Number 2. The dog head revival machine. In the 1940s, Soviet scientist Sergei Brukhonenko wanted to conquer death. He created a machine called the autojector. It pumped blood and oxygen into bodies after death. To prove it worked, he removed a dog's head. The head was connected to tubes and pumps. The dog blinked, twitched, and reacted to sounds. The audience was shocked and horrified. The brain was barely alive, but the body was gone. It is like charging a phone that has no screen, buttons, or apps. The experiment was repeated many times. Some dogs even showed reflex movement in their legs. There was no real consciousness, only nerve response. The more tests they tried, the more obvious the suffering became. The world begged scientists to stop and focus on ethical research. Number 1. The Mangala twins' nightmare. During the Second World War, Joseph Mengele selected twins from concentration camp trains. Over 3,000 pairs were used in experiments. Children were measured, photographed, and constantly examined. He injected chemicals into their eyes to change eye color. He performed surgeries without anesthesia. Internal organs were removed while the victims were alive. Some twins were stitched together like living puppets. Infection killed them slowly and painfully. It is like forcing a horror movie into real life. Over 1,000 children died from his experiments. Mengele escaped without facing trial. Survivors carried physical and emotional trauma forever. The world learned how far cruelty can go when science has no humanity. Every modern medical ethics law exists to prevent another atrocity like this.
That was the video. Do not worry. My friends and I only came here for peace. We love quiet nights, friendly smiles, and a little kindness. Press like and hit the subscribe button, and everything stays calm, just the way we like it.